Anker has always amazed us in terms of their security gadgets, and the gadget we are going to talk about today is best in home security. This is the Eufy 2K Full HD doorbell with dual camera. As the name suggests, it has two security cameras. The lower one is specially for packages, which will notify you whenever the packages has been arrived at your doorstep by the delivery guys or picked up by someone. In this video, we will go through the installation along with the specification of Eufy doorbell. But first, let's see what we get inside the box with the doorbell and the base station. We have two mounting brackets, one with flat surface and another with 15 degree slight angle to get a better view. Power supply for the base station coming with Ethernet cable, a quick start guide with sticker guides for the installation, some Eufy security stickers, warranty card, some cables and screw to help while installing, a micro USB cable for charging the doorbell with a detachable pin. Now this is the home base where the doorbell will be connecting and all the video footages will be stored. In front we will get the status LED indicator, and on the back we have the internet connection port coming with USB port, reset switch, button to sync to the doorbell and to turn the alarm off, and the power in port. It also comes with speakers at the back and at the bottom too. Now about the doorbell, it has main camera coming with 2K 160 degree wide angle, and the camera down here is basically to watch out for your packages. It is a 2 megapixel camera with some sensors. We get the microphone built into it and the speakers at the bottom. Apart from this, it also has an infrared sensor. At the back we get two connecting points for the wires to give power, a charging point coming with sync button. Here the charging will take around 3 hours and will give you a power of 6 months including 10 events a day. Now the installation part. First, stick the guide stickers, drill hole at the mark point, screw the mounting brackets and attach the doorbell to it. That's easy and your doorbell is all set. Now let's see how to connect it. At first, give power supply to the home base and connect it to your home Wi-Fi through the LAN cable. Then open up the app named as Eufy Security, which is available on Android and iOS. As you open up the app, add device. Here choose the home base and wait till the home base indicator turns blue from red. Afterwards, scan the QR code. Just click the sync alarm button and here your home base is successfully connected to your smartphone. Now again, tap to add device and this time select the doorbell. Press the sync button for 2 seconds and scan the QR code on your device. Follow some procedures and now you are all set here. Here on the home base you will see the connected device. Tapping here will give you a live view. It usually takes a couple of seconds to load completely. From here you will be able to talk with the two-way communication with the built-in mic. You can even record and take a clip of a video. Now in the settings panel you get plenty of settings. Here in the dual detection you get to choose the detection type to either human only or all motion. Similarly you can customize the protection range and the length of the sensitivity. Also you can set the area where you want to monitor. Now in the delivery guide you can turn the package board which will alert when the packages has been arrived and even the uncollected packages. Now in the picture-in-picture mode you get various of styles where you can select on which area you want to see the secondary camera's live video. It also has the advanced AI family recognition which will understand the family faces and will avoid the false alarm. This is all about the Eufy 2K Full HD doorbell. I hope you like this video. If so, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. This is Enoylity Technology and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.